The fourth message May taught us was the value, the importance of being well-mannered when speaking about Allah. Something we may fall short on when we're going through a tough time. Where is Allah Almighty, we may ask. They said to May, who was with you in the house? She said, my mum. They said to her, is she alive? She said, no, she's next to me, she passed away. They said to her, يعني shahida. So she's a martyr. What did she say? One word. She said, Insha'Allah. If Allah wills. I don't know if she's a martyr. If Allah wills, I hope. Sometimes we get excited when talking about our martyrs and we say so-and-so is a martyr. Fulanun al-shahid, so-and-so the martyr. Fulanun al-maghfur lahu, so-and-so who has been forgiven by Allah. We don't know. The signs are there. We hope that they are martyrs. We hope that Allah has forgiven them. But we cannot make that assertion. May, she said, Insha'Allah, my mother was a martyr. And that is why it is narrated, Waylun lil-muta'allina ala Allah. Woe to those who make assumptions about the will of Allah. يَقُولُونَ فُلَانٌ فِي الْجَنَّةِ وَفُلَانٌ فِي النَّارِ. Those who boldly say, this person is in paradise and this person is in hell. May taught us in her message number 4, be well-mannered when speaking about Allah Almighty.